Okay, picking up where we left off. Question 5. Home and the shop are located at corners of the path. What is the difference between the longer and shorter paths from the home to store? Clearly show your work. Well, I can go two ways. I can go this direction from home to the shop, or I can go this direction from home to the shop. And it looks at a glance, since this is 2 and 1 is 3, and here I have 2, 2, and another one. It looks like this is the longer route. And this will be the shorter. So let's find out the lengths of each route. So the longer route is going to be 2 and 9/100 plus 2 and 3/10 plus 1 and 76/100 miles. So that's going this way. And that way is going to take me, I can add a 0 here. Notice my decimals are lined up. 9 plus 0 is 9, plus 6 is 15, carry the 1. 1 and 3 is 4, plus 7 is 11. The 1, bring down my decimal point. 1 and 2 is 3, 5, 6. So it's 6 and 1/1500 miles on the longer route. Shorter route is going to be 2 miles plus 1 and 804 thousandths. So let's add up those. This will be pretty straightforward since I just have a bunch of zeros to add here. So I'm going to have 4 and 0 and 8. So these are both of these are miles. So, but my question is what is the difference between the longer and shorter paths? So this is my shorter path, and this is my longer. So I need my longer. So the difference will be the longer minus the shorter. It's going to be 6 and 1/1500 minus 3 and 804 thousandths. So I'm going to have to fill in a 0 here in order to do this. Now I can do my subtraction. I'll have to borrow from this 5. 10 minus 4 is 6. 4 minus 0 is 4. I have to borrow from that 6. 11 minus 8 is 3. I bring down my decimal point. 5 minus 3 is 2. So the difference between the longer and shorter route is 2 and 346 thousandths miles. So clearly this is the faster way to get there. Next up. Here we go. Excuse me. Aunt Mimi paid $19.04 for 8 5/10 gallons of gas. How much was the price per gallon? Label your answer. So how much was the price per gallon? Price we measure in dollars, which we notice we have a clue right there. And per gallon. Anytime I see per, I want to often think division, which we can show as a fraction. So I'm asking, how much was the price per gallon? In order to do this, we need to take the total amount that we paid, and that's how this helps us out. So I see my dollars go on top. So I'm going to write this one more time, dollars per gallon. That helps me see that my dollar amount is going to go on top, $19.04. On the bottom, I'm going to have my gallons. In this case, 8 5/10. So a fraction is a division problem. Top divided by bottom. Top divided by bottom. So this is 19. So 4 divided by 8 5/10. And now that we can see it this way, we know when we go to solve this or find the answer, we're going to have to write out. So this part here needs to go underneath. This will be my dividend. It's going to be divided by 8 and 5/10. So there we go. 19 4/100 divided by 8 and 5/10. Because I'm dividing by a decimal number, I'm going to first shift this one place to the right, which means I have to shift this one place to the right. So I'm going to have 85 divided into 190 and 4/10. So now we can do our division. How many 85s go into 1? 0. How many 85s go into 19? 0. How many 85s can I get out of 190? Well, here I can get 2. Because 2 times 85 is going to be 170. I do my subtraction. And I can see that's going to be 0. And this will be 2. I've reached my decimal point, so I'm going to bring it straight up. And I'm going to bring my 4 down. So how many 85s can I get out of 204? Well, looks like I can get 2 again. That means this will also be 170. I have to subtract one more time. So now I'm going to have, looks like I'm going to have to borrow. Oh no, I won't. That's wrong. 4 minus 0 is 4. Take it back. 10 minus 7. Oh no, now I will have to borrow. I borrow from this 2. So I have 10 minus 7 is 3. Ooh, now I'm going to have to add a 0 because I can't get any more 85s out of 34. So I'm going to add myself a 0. I'm going to bring it down. How many 85s can I get out of 340? Well, this was 2. Oh, if I double 170, I get this. 340. So it looks like 4. 4 times 5 is 20. Carry the 2. 4 times 8 is 32 plus 4 is 340. So it looks like I can get the price per gallon of gas is $2.24 per gallon. $2.24 per gallon. Now Mimi paid $20.50 for gas that cost $3.75 per gallon. How many gallons did she purchase? So now this time I want to know how many gallons did she get for her $20.50. So this is how much she paid all together. And I'm going to split it into chunks that are $3.75 because this is for 1 gallon. So I have $2.50 divided by $3.75. So that means I have 22.50 divided by 3 7/75. So I'm going to have to shift twice here, which means I'm going to have to shift twice there. So I'm going to write it again just for neatness sake. 22.50. So here we go. And my decimal point now lies here. I'll go ahead and bring it straight up. How many 375s can I get out of 2? I can't get any. Out of 22? Can't get any. How many 375s can I get out of 225? Still can't get any. So now I've got to go all over. How many 375s can I get out of 2,250? Well, I'm not sure right away, but I'm gonna estimate to see if I can get close. So 375, if I write it as 400 out of about 2,000, I can get rid of some zeros, and I can see it comes down to this. And how many 4s can you get out of 25? So let's try 5 for a second. So what is 375 times 5? 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 7 is 35. Plus 2 is 37. Carry the 3. 3 times 5 times 3 is 15. Plus 3 is 18. Okay, Can I get one more? So this is 5. Can I get one more 375 out of that? Let's check. So I'll add one more 375. So this was 5 of them. So 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry the 1. 14 is 15. Carry the 1. 9, 12. Carry the 1. Oh, there you go. It's exactly the number, right? So it looks like I can get, if I 9, so 9 times, oh, actually, what am I saying, 9? That's not right. I had 5. I added one more, right? So the total number of 375s I have here is 6. Okay, I got way ahead of myself there. That's not right. So 6 times 5 is 30. Carry the 3. 6 times 7 is 42, plus 3 is 45. Carry the 4. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 4 is 22. So she was Mimi was able to buy 6 gallons of gas exactly.